okei. Kus ma olen ja mis toimub? Ubisofti mäng aastast 2004. Mõeldud XP-le läks käima. Ossa poiss. Lahe kursor. CSI Miami. Uus mäng. Uurija nimi. No ikka püütan. Raskusaste. Algaja. Vaadates neid raskusastme kirjeldusi on tegu algajaga. Okei. Later Gator. Kus ta teab, ma püütan panin nimeks. Vist ütlesin seda talle. Vabandust, olen natuke tarvitanud kohalikke jooke. Okei.
Welcome to CSI Miami, but any tour of our facility will have to wait. You're heading out to the golf course. Oh, it's no day off.
Sina lähed golfi mängima igal juhul.
Country club or a piece of our Vic anyway. Callie is already waiting for you at the club. She's your partner on this first case.
Okay.
To quit the game or change the options, including gameplay difficulty, hit the escape key on your keyboard at any time.
Okay, päris hull. Nii, golfcourse või? Okay. Ussa raisk, päris golfi veel. Evidence. Ai, midagi on seal golfiväljakul ja tehtud. Sina lähed igal juhul sporti tegema. Huvitav. Meenutate mulle mingit propagandat.
Hey, I'm Callie. It's going to be great to work together. It looks like we've got our hands full on this one, so let's ask around and see if we can find out what happened here.
Mis siin juhtus?
If you are stuck on a case, you can often get help from your CSI partner. Clicking on a question will ask your partner for a hint. However, all hints will count against you in your final evaluation.